Hi, my name is Isaiah Torres. I'm a junior here, majoring in economics, and this is course I have 303. First topic is basic HTML. It's interesting to know that basic HTML, allowing to have the meaning of those words, being able to change what's on the page and adding our own touch, saving it and refreshing the page to see our changes. That's how it comes together. It's very interesting. Another interesting topic that I had was information privacy, the trade-off between our privacy and security. Such things as Facebook, whenever we sign up, we choose to agree to their terms and not really knowing what we're signing up for. Being able to believe that we choose what people see is not entirely true. Just because once we upload things online, we need to be aware that things just can't be taken down. We can choose to delete certain things, but someone can always find something online. The topics that I really missed in this class were things such as Adobe and Excel, because those are involved in the digital world now. Being able to know how to use these different softwares is important. Not many people know how to, and employers will expect us to know, given the time that we live in. The other thing I think we missed was learning about programming. We touched on that with HTML, but there's different types of programs such as Java and C++. And knowing what those things look like is very important as well. The final takeaway has been the resources provided by Google Docs, Slides, Calendar, things like that, because those can be incorporated in daily lives, and knowing how and when we can use them is very important. And things as group assignments and work environments is very important as well. And given these Google resources, we're able to work with others easier, and not have to really rely on sharing one document and knowing what a person did. We can see what people do in real time, and that's a great part. Yeah, thanks everyone.